Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another vlog. So today I will make macaroni and Maggie. So I'll make a mixture of both. So that's my style of making a boil the macaroni already. So I'll drain this. You know the it will turn golden brown. We'll add the tomatoes to it. So then next is have to put the tomatoes to this. We are going to add some water. And for the macaroni as well. Green chilies. Next, we'll add some salt. And then I have this Szechuan chutney, and I always use Szechuan chutney. Tada nahi. The slurry is next is the macaroni I'm gonna add to the Maggie. I think this is just enough. This is the first time they will have a macaroni and a Maggie mixture. I have some more things to just add. Some ketchup and some red chili sauce as well. We'll just mix it well. And cook for some time. So I have cooked them for about 2 to 3 minutes and then it's ready. Now I will serve the Maggie macaroni in the bowl. So you can also make this type of Maggie, and you can also try, and I assure you that you will like it. I'm also going to make pizza. So with that I have this bread pizza base. So easy to make pizzas nowadays if you have base. But then we have to just I have all these veggies, and then I have corn as well. So, and for the sauce we have this pizza topping and mozzarella cheese, and then we have peri peri mayonnaise, peri peri mayo. So also we have this tandoori sauce. I'll just add all of it, I mean from the top, and garnishing all of it. And then we also have got some these hot chili flakes and oregano inside this base. Let's start the garnishing, I mean let's start the pizza topping. So and we have the peppers. onions. And some mozzarella cheese. Add some tandoori sauce from the top. So this is so everything is done, the toppings and all. So the next step is to just bake them, and they will be ready. So I have baked them for about 15 minutes, and there is also already an option for veg pizza, so I'll just bake them for 15 minutes. So I'm again doing the next pizza with the other veggies and the left veggies. So I'll make two slices, I mean two pizzas of medium size. So I'm just doing everything the same way I have done that before. Now the pizza is ready, and it looks so yum. So we just have to cut them and serve them like that. So the next pizza is also going inside the oven, and it will also be baked for 15 to 20 minutes, and it will be ready. So my pizza and Maggie macaroni both are ready to have them. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel, and we'll meet in the next video inshallah. Till then, Allah Hafiz.